Hello, my amazing storytellers. Are you ready to grow your English power and become story experts? Today, I'm going to teach you 20 super important words that you hear in almost every animal story or bedtime tale. These words are your story tools. They help you understand, imagine, and even write your own magical tales. Let's go. 1. Forest, a big place filled with trees and animals. Example: the fox ran through the forest. Ollie the owl lived in a quiet forest full of secrets. 2. Kind, when someone is nice and helpful. Example: the rabbit shared her carrot. She was very kind. Ellie the elephant was kind to everyone she met. 3. Brave, being strong even when you feel scared. Example: the little mouse was brave and stood up to the lion. Luna the llama was brave enough to share her story. 4. Friend, someone you care about and have fun with. Example: the puppy and the kitten were best friends. Buddy the puppy missed his friend Mia when she went to school. 5. Voice, the sound you make when you speak or sing. Example: the bird used her voice to sing a happy song. Nora the nightingale found her true voice at the talent show. 6. Home, the place where you live and feel safe. Example: the turtle carried his home on his back. Hazel the hedgehog rebuilt her garden to feel at home again. 7. Alone, when no one else is with you. Example: he felt alone in the new jungle. Buddy was alone until Rosie the rabbit came to play. 8. Together, when people or animals are with each other. Example: they built the treehouse together. Ellie and her friends marched together in the Echo Parade. 9. Help, to do something kind for someone else. Example: can I help you carry your books? Felix the fox learned that helping is better than pretending. 10. Listen, to hear carefully and pay attention. Example: the children listened to the wise orangutan. Omar the orangutan taught that wisdom starts when you listen. 11. Secret, something you don't tell many people. Example: the squirrel had a secret hiding spot. Hazel had a secret garden where she found peace. 12. Shy, feeling quiet or nervous around others. Example: the shy cat slowly came out to play. Nora the nightingale was shy, but her song was strong. 13. Story, something you tell or read that has characters and a beginning, middle, and end. Example: Grandma told us a story about a talking tree. Every animal has a story, even the quiet ones. 14. Feelings, how your heart feels: happy, sad, scared, excited. Example: it's okay to have big feelings. Luna felt shy, but her feelings helped her write her square. 15. Light, can be from the sun, the moon, or a lantern. It helps us see. Example: she followed the light to find her way. Tuna the tiger cub's lantern lit up the path. 16. Wait, to stop and be patient before something happens. Example: you must wait for the cookies to cool. Penny the penguin learned that waiting can be beautiful. 17. Learn, to discover something new or get better at something. Example: he learned how to swim today. Cleo the cat learned that music comes back when you listen. 18. Change, when something becomes different. Example: the seasons change from summer to fall. Felix changed when he started telling the truth. 19. Real, something true, not made up. Example: the cave story wasn't real, but his kindness was. Being real matters more than being perfect. 20. Love, a warm, happy feeling when you care deeply for someone or something. Example: I love my family and my stories. Even when they were apart, Mia and Buddy still felt love. And that's it, my story stars. You've just learned 20 amazing story words. Now when you hear or read stories, you'll understand more, feel more, and maybe even tell your own. Which word was your favorite? Next time we meet, we can play games or sing songs using these magical words. Until then, keep reading, keep dreaming, and keep being kind.